Pura Vida. It's a beautiful day. Let's go check out the Lea Audubon Wildlife Nature Preserve. I've heard about this place. I've never been here. There's, let's see, 10-acre plot that was donated to the Lea Audubon Society. There's supposed to be 2 miles of mowed trails, but I cannot find anywhere a trail map. And it's early in the year, so everything looks mowed. Eventually, I'm sure the trail will get mowed as well, but it's supposed to be able to see all these animals, these different type of birds. So we got some ferns growing here. And we got some flowering trees, and let's go check it out. I'm sure we'll find some interesting stuff. All right, we're just getting back to the truck. I know we didn't do nowhere near the 10, no, how many miles? 2 miles of trail? Yeah, 2 miles of mowed trails. I'm pretty sure we didn't come close to that at all, but pretty cool. Don't know if it goes over around that prairie back there or not. That I don't know. Be cool if they had some maps and stuff, but there's all kinds of little trails connecting all over inside there, but want to get away from everything for a little bit, escape to nature, come on out here, listen to the birds. And there was, what did we all see? Seen a couple hummingbirds, I heard a rooster, pheasant, seen one nope rope, or aka a garter snake. Seen some deer tracks, so who knows what you might see. But it'd be interesting to come back when the more flowers are up and stuff like that, which I'm sure ain't too far away, once we get a little more heat and stuff. And there's plenty of places that look like there should be some morel mushrooms, but I'm sure these guys that live around here that are into that thing, they got them under tight ropes. They probably do midnight runs to go and pick those things. Who knows? But with that, live life, don't live in fear. You're gonna miss it. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.